NASA, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, presents Aeronautics and Space Report.
It's called Mariner Mars 69. Mariner, the spacecraft, Mars, the destination, 69, the mission year. Mariner looks like this. Total weight, including scientific instruments, 850 pounds. This year, 2 Mariner spacecraft are being launched toward Mars and are expected to fly over different areas of the Martian terrain in early August. The closest pictures we have of Mars are those shot by an earlier Mariner from a distance of 6,000 miles above the surface. Mariners 6 and 7 will fly within 2,000 miles. The pictures transmitted back to Earth and received by these big electronic ears will show Mars surface areas as small as 900 feet across. In addition to the television cameras carried on the Mariners, special sensors will penetrate the Martian atmosphere and send back data, information that may help tell us of the probability of life there. Giving a brief status report, the director of NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory in Pasadena, Dr. William Pickering.
And we expect to get very much better photographs of the planet than we did with our first mission to Mars in 1964-65. The television system is a greatly improved system. The spacecraft is larger and heavier, and the communication system to the planet is very much better than it was back in 1964. And so far, everything is working very well.
Mariner Mars 69, 2 planetary explorers which will rendezvous with the mysterious red planet late this summer. Planes that rise vertically, the same as a helicopter, then fly forward like a conventional airplane. Called VTOL, they are a unique class of vertical takeoff and landing plane, craft that may one day play an important role in short-haul air transportation. This VTOL, the XV-5B, is one of several planes undergoing flight tests at NASA research centers in California and Virginia. To supply the lift needed to take off, hover, and land vertically, the XV-5B makes use of 2 5-foot diameter fans submerged in the wings. When landing or taking off, the fan covers are opened. When closed, the exhaust is directed out the tailpipes and the plane can fly forward at high speed like a conventional jet aircraft. Designated the XC-142, this VTOL was developed from NASA wind tunnel tests which began in 1956. The XC-142 rises vertically by tilting up its wings and engines. Once in the air, the wing is tilted down for forward flight. Studies on this particular plane are centered around VTOL landings in terminal areas when there is poor visibility. From an engine producing 15,000 pounds of thrust, the Hawker P-1127 VTOL literally rises and descends on a pillar of jet exhaust. This same engine can then push the plane forward at subsonic speeds. The P-1127 is being used to study approach and landing tasks and to train NASA test pilots for other VTOL programs. Vertical takeoff and landing aircraft. Research now to determine their future potential as short-haul intercity transports.
This has been an Aeronautics and Space Report presented by NASA, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration.